Bhagavad Gita as it is, Chapter 2, Text 33. Atha chetvam imam dharmyam sangramam na karishyasi tataha swadharmam kirtim cha hitva papam avapsyasi. Synonyms: Atha, therefore, chet, if, tvam, you, imam, this, dharmyam, religious duty, sangramam, fighting, na, do not, karishyasi, perform, tataha, then, swadharmam, your religious duty, kirtim, reputation, cha, also, hitva, losing, papam, sinful reaction, avapsyasi, do gain. Translation: If, however, you do not fight this religious war, then you will certainly incur sins for neglecting your duties and thus lose your reputation as a fighter. Purport: Arjuna was a famous fighter, and he attained fame by fighting many great demigods, including even Lord Shiva. After fighting and defeating Lord Shiva in the dress of a hunter, Arjuna pleased the Lord and received as a reward a weapon called Pashupata Astra. Everyone knew that he was a great warrior. Even Dronacharya gave him benediction and awarded him the special weapon by which he could kill even his teacher. So, he was credited with so many military certificates from many authorities, including his adopted father Indra, the heavenly king. But if he abandoned the battle, he would not only neglect his specific duty as a Kshatriya, but he would lose all his fame and good name and thus prepare his royal road to hell. In other words, he would go to hell not by fighting but by withdrawing from battle. Text 34. Akirtim chapi bhutani katayishyanti devyayam sambhavitasya cha kirtir maranadatirichyate. Synonyms: Akirtim, infamy, cha, also, api, over and above, bhutani, all people, katayishyanti, will speak, te, of you, avyayam, forever, sambhavitasya, for a respectable man, cha, also, akirtihi, ill fame, maranat, than death, atirichyate, becomes more than. Translation: People will always speak of your infamy, and for one who has been honored, dishonor is worse than death. Purport: Both as friend and philosopher to Arjuna, Lord Krishna now gives his final judgment regarding Arjuna's refusal to fight. The Lord says, Arjuna, if you leave the battlefield, people will call you a coward even before your actual flight. And if you think that people may call you bad names, but that you will save your life by fleeing the battlefield, then my advice is that you would do better to die in the battle. For a respectable man like you, ill fame is worse than death. So you should not flee for fear of your life. Better to die in the battle. That will save you from the ill fame of misusing my friendship and from losing your prestige in society. So, the final judgment of the Lord was for Arjuna to die in the battle and not withdraw. Text 35. Bhayad ranaduparatam mamsyante tvam maharataha yesham cha tvam bahumato bhutva yasyasi laghavam. Synonyms: bhayat, out of fear; ranat, from the battlefield; uparatam, ceased; mamsyante, will consider; tvam, unto you; maharataha, the great generals; yesham, of those who; cha, also; tvam, you; bahumataha, in great estimation; bhutva, will become; yasyasi, will go; laghavam, decreased in value. Translation: the great generals who have highly esteemed your name and fame will think that you have left the battlefield out of fear only, and thus they will consider you a coward. Purport: Lord Krishna continued to give his verdict to Arjuna. Do not think that the great generals like Duryodhana, Karna, and other contemporaries will think that you have left the battlefield out of compassion for your brothers and grandfather. They will think that you have left out of fear for your life, and thus their high estimation of your personality will go to hell. Text 36. Avacha vadamscha bahun vadishyanti tavahitaha nindantastava samarthyam tato duhukkataram nukim. Synonyms: avachya, unkind; vadan, fabricated words; cha, also; bahun, many; vadishyanti, will say; tava, your; ahitaha, enemies; nindantaha, while vilifying; tava, your; samarthyam, ability; tataha, thereafter; duhukataram, more painful; nu, of course; kim, what is there. Translation: your enemies will describe you in many unkind words and scorn your ability. What could be more painful for you? Purport: Lord Krishna was astonished in the beginning at Arjuna's uncalled for plea for compassion, and he described his compassion as befitting the non-Aryans. Now, in so many words, he has proved his statements against Arjuna's so-called compassion.